पातं छात्राः अष्टमः पाठः सूक्तिस्तबकः. We are learning moral values through shlokas in this lesson. We learnt 2 shlokas already. Let us continue with the third shloka today. In last 2 shlokas we learnt the value of udyamaha, means hard work, and value of knowledge. So let us continue with good speech and the value of speaking nicely with everyone. We are going to learn that value in this shloka. प्रियवाक्य प्रदानेन सर्वे तुष्यन्ति जन्तवः तस्मात् तदेव कर्तव्यं वचने का दरिद्रता. In the place of kartavyam we can use vaktavyam. So priyavakya pradanena sarve tushyanti jantavaha tasmat tadeva kartavyam athava vaktavyam vachane ka daridrata. That means in this sloka they are explaining about the value of speech. Quality of person, it's decided by the way he speaks. If he speak politely with elders and others, friends, everyone, then they will consider us as good. And same time if we are harsh, then we will be valued as bad person. So our speech always decides whether we are good or bad. Apart from that, one more thing, priyavakya pradanena sarve jantavaha tushyanti. By talking politely, sweetly, all living beings, not only human being, all living beings gets pleased. They feel very happy and they approach us very frequently if we are very polite and humble and if our speech is good. So when everyone gets happy by our polite speech, then why we need to be harsh? Tasmat tadeva vaktavyam vachane ka daridrata. Therefore we must speak such polite words only, because why we need to show poverty? Daridrata means poverty in our speech. We don't need to give any money to speak. It is free. That time why we need to show poverty in that? We can humbly talk to everyone and we show respect to everyone when everyone gets pleased and happy by words. All living beings feel happy by affectionate words. Therefore one must speak affectionately. Why one should show poverty in speech? That means we should speak with affection to everyone, because there is no one in this world does not come under the influence of affection and love. Word meanings: tasmat, therefore, tadeva, that only, kartavyam, should do, vachane, in speech, daridrata, poverty. Priyavakya pradanena, by affectionate words or speech, sarve, all, tushyanti, feels happy, jantavaha, living beings. So today we learnt the value of speech. So children, please learn to speak politely with respect to everyone, then your value will be increased. Thank you children.